Hello students, once again welcome you back to GK's maths classes. This is the second part of the video where I'm going to do another 5 questions under this topic called 5 problems per session. Today again we are going to do sequences and series. Last video I have put 5 questions. Today again we'll do 5 more questions. I hope these videos will be very useful to you and you will be benefited. Okay, so I would request you to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get notifications on all videos. Okay, I hope these videos are very useful. Okay, let's continue. Now, what is the first part of the question? The question here is 1 by 1 plus root 2, 1 by root 1 plus root 2, so on up to m, and this series is given. Then you have to find the point m and n and show that it lies on this line. This is a JEE mains question. It's not at all complicated. It's very simple. So first let's make use of what is given. Here it's given that m equal to 1 by root 1 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus root 3. In fact, I will slightly write it differently. In fact, I'll write it as 1 by root 2 plus root 1, addition is commutative, plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2, and so on up to 1 by root 100 plus root 99. It's clear. Now what do? You rationalize each term. So when you rationalize this, you get root 2 minus 1 by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Therefore, you get 1, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus, again you rationalize the denominator. Root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 will be 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is again 1. Plus, and so on, you will get root 100 minus root 99 divided by 1. Right? Now clearly you can see root 2 gets cancelled, root 3 will get cancelled, root 99 also will get cancelled. So what you will be left with? You will be left with root 100 minus 1, that is your m. So what is m equal to? 10 minus 1, so m is 9. I hope this is clear. All that I did is I rationalized each and every term. I multiply and divided by root 2 minus 1, root 3 minus root 2, and root 100 minus root 99. The denominator all becomes 1. So that finishes the first part of it. Now what is the second part of the question? It is also given that you have 1 by 1 into 2. This a similar type of question we have discussed in the previous video. 1 by 99 into 100 equal to m. Now what is 1 by 1 into 2, which I said in the last class also? This is actually 1 minus 1 by 2, sort of a partial fraction, splitting it. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So what is 1 by 2 into 3? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM and see. LCM is 2 into 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Perfect. Now what, and so on. If you repeat this process, this will become 1 by 99 minus 1 by 100, which is n. Simple, isn't it? Now everything gets cancelled except 1 by 100. 1 minus 1 by 100. So n is what? 99 by 100. So what is the point mn? Point m comma n is m is 9 and n is 99 by 100. Now what do? You take this line. What is this line? 11x minus 100y, and substitute that value and see whether it satisfies. 11 into 9 minus 100 into 99 by 100. So I get 99 minus 99 equal to 0. It satisfies the equation. Okay. Actually, this equation is given as MCQ, but I don't want to do MCQ as such. I just took the answer and gave it. Okay. So I hope this problem is very simple, but it's a very nice question, isn't it? Now let's go to the second question. There are three real numbers. There are three real numbers. What are they? A, B, and C. What is given? There are three real numbers A, B, C, and they are in arithmetic progression. So let me make use of that. Whatever is given, let me first make use of it. It's given that A, B, C are in AP. If they are in AP, so what? I have 2B equal to A plus C. So I may be using it. So I get 2B equal to A plus C. What else is given to you? It's also given A plus 1, B, C plus 3 is in GP. This is in GP. So what do you know if three numbers are in GP? If suppose if you have three numbers in GP, A, B, C in GP, what do you know? B square equal to AC. Am I right? Middle square equal to product of the extreme. That is the definition of geometric mean. So here what will happen? Since we have A plus 1, B and C plus 3 in GP, what do you know? B square equal to A plus 1 into C plus 3. A plus 1 into C plus 3. You can call this equation as 2. First, I am using what all data is given to me in the question. And it is also given that A is greater than 10. That is also known to me. And the arithmetic mean of A, B, and C is 8. Basically, the mean of A, B, C is 8. So, how do you find mean of A, B, C? Add all the numbers and divide it by the total number of numbers. What are they? 3. There are 3 numbers, A plus B plus C equal to 8. Correct? The arithmetic mean of A, B, C is 8. So, from this, what do you know? You know that A plus B plus C equal to 8. So, equal to 24. 8 3s are 24. Correct? Now, from 1, look at from 1. From 1, A plus C is 2B, right? So, in place of A plus C, I'll put 2B. So, you get 3B equal to 24. So, what is B equal to? 8. Correct? Once you get B equal to 8, what is A plus C? A plus C equal to 16. A plus C is 16. Now, what you do? You take second equation. What is my second equation? B square equal to A plus 1 into C plus 3. Now, you just have to solve this. What is B square? B square is 64 equal to A plus 1 into, what is my C? 16 minus A plus 3. So, you get a wonderful quadratic equation. 64 equal to A plus 1 into 19 minus A. So, if you open the bracket, I am not going to do that part. I will get A square minus 18A plus 45. This is what I am getting. I think that you can do. If you open the bracket and simplify, you will get A square minus 18A plus 45 equal to 0. Now, split the middle term. A square minus 15A minus 3A plus 45 equal to 0. So, A into A minus 15 minus 3 into A minus 15 equal to 0. So, what do you get? A equal to 3 or A equal to 15. But you know A is greater than 10, so this is invalid. I'm rejecting it. Okay. So, A equal to 15. Now, you have got the value of B, you got the value of A. Now, I want to find the value of C. So, you know 2B equal to A plus C. What is B? B is 8. So, therefore, 16 equal to A is 15, right? 15 plus C. So, what is C? C is 1. So, I got all the values. What are the values? C is 1, B is 8, and A is 15. Now, what is that you have to find? You have to find the cube of the geometric mean of ABC. You know the geometric mean of AB will be power half if it is 2 numbers. If it is 3 numbers, it is ABC to the power 1 by 3. This is the geometric mean of 3 numbers. He is not telling you to find geometric mean of 3 numbers. He is asking you to find cube of geometric mean of 3 numbers. So, I have to cube this. Cube of geometric mean of 3 numbers ABC. So what is A? A is, this is basically ABC. So what is A? A is 15, B is 8 and C is 1. So when you multiply this, I think you get 120. That's the answer. Very simple. See, I just made use of all the facts that is available. Finally, geometric mean of three numbers is ABC power 1 by 3. Cubing, I assumed you know all that, okay? ABC whole power 1 by 3. Cube of it, that's what he's asking you to find. Cube of the geometric mean of three numbers. So that will be ABC. So you know A, you know B, you know C, you get the answer. I don't think it's difficult there, correct? Now let's go to the next question. This is a wonderful, this is question number 3. Now look at the question very carefully. It is given that x1, x2, x3 up to x100 is an arithmetic progression. He has made it very clear that x1 to x100 is an arithmetic progression. And clearly he says that the first term is 2. And their mean equal to 200. So let me make use of that first. What is mean? What is the mean of this? It is basically sigma I equal to 1 to 100 xi total, okay, total divided by 100. He has given it as 200, correct? The mean sigma, it's a ungrouped data. Add all the data, divide by 100, correct? So from this we have sigma xi. What is that? Xi is 2 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So this is very, very clear, correct? Now what is this? This is nothing but sum of AP, right? Sigma xi's are AP. They are on AP. So what do you mean by sigma xi? Sum of 100 terms. What's the formula? You know, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is n? N is 200. Sorry, n is 100. 100 by 2 into 2a. What's the first term? First term is 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to this. Correct? Now what happens? You understand what I'm saying? This is like sum of AP, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now these two zeros can be cancelled. So what are you left with? 4 plus 99d equal to 400. I'm cross multiplying. So 99d equal to 396. So what is d equal to? 396 divided by 99 will be 4. So I have found the common difference. Okay, that finishes that part. Now here he has made some statement that he has given that yi is I into xi minus I. This is an expression given where I ranges from 1 to 100. Then he wants me to find the mean. What he wants, what is the final thing we want to find? I want to know what is sigma yi divided by 100 is. This is what I want to know. I want to know what is sigma yi by 100 is, because that is the question. The mean of y1, y2, y3 up to y100. This is what I want to find. But I know an expression for yi, correct? Now what I will do, I'll open the bracket. What do you get? xi into I minus I square. Correct? xi into I minus I square. Or xi into I, or what shall I do? Xi into I minus I square. Okay. I want to find this xi. First, let me find that xi. What is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. Now I want to find the ith term. The ith term will be what? A is 2 plus I minus 1 into d. Correct? So this is my xi. You understand what I'm saying? Xi is the ith term of an AP. Ith term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is 2, n is I minus 1 into d. So I will substitute here. So yi equal to I into, what is my xi? 2 plus I minus 1 into d minus I. Is it clear? And you know d is 4. I could have substituted that. So yi equal to I into 2 plus 4i, because d is 4, minus 4 minus I. So what are you left with? Yi is I into 3i minus 2. So what is II? It will be 3i square minus 2i. 3i square minus 2i. I hope this is clear. Now what you do, you take the summation. Sigma yi square, sigma yi, I equal to 1 to 100, divided by 100. This is the mean I want to find. Is same as 1 by 100 into, see, this 1 by 100. What is sigma yi? I have to take the sigma of this. Sigma I square minus 2 times sigma I. Watch this carefully. This is yi is 3i square minus 2i. Correct? I want to find total of yi, I to n. So it will be total of I square, total of I, from I equal to 1 to 100. I equal to 1 to 100. So I have to divide by 100 because I want to find the mean. So I divided by 100. Okay. Then you have a formula. Now the formula is, all this are, I'll just mention the formula. Sigma n square, sum of squares of natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. I'm going to make use of this formula. Here, replace n by 100 because he's asking you to find sum of 100 terms. Sigma I square. Once again, from here there may be a confusion. Yi is given. Then I find sigma yi, which is 3 times sigma I square minus 2 times sigma I. Then I divide by 100. Okay. And sigma I square is sum of natural numbers, sum of squares of natural numbers. And sigma I is sum of natural numbers. And these are the formulas. And wherever n is there, put 100. So what do you get? 1 by 100 into 3. Now n is 100. So 100 into 101 into 201 divided by 6. Wherever n is there, I put 100. Minus 2 into 100 into 101 by 2. Okay. So if I need to simplify this, right? If I simplify this, I think I get 100 can be cancelled throughout, correct? So it will be 101 into 201 by 2, because 3 and 6 gets cancelled, minus 101. So if you simplify this, I think you are getting 10049. That calculation you can do, 10049.5. This is the mean. This is the mean of yi. 100 yi by 100. Very simple. So first I made use of the fact that the mean of xi is 200. The mean of xi is 200. Okay. Then from the cross multiply, I got this. I stopped there. Then what else is given to me? Sigma xi. Sigma xi is sum of all AP. How many terms are there? 100 terms are there. So 100 divided by 2, 100 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. From that I got d. Now I go to the next information that is given. Yi equal to I into xi minus I. Now I want to know what is my xi is. Xi is the nth term. Xi is the nth term. A plus n minus 1 into d. 2 plus n minus 1. Actually my d is 4. Okay. So you can substitute d is 4. So if you open the bracket and simplify, okay, this is not part of this. This is separate. Yi equal to I into, if you simplify this, I get this expression. Now I want to total I from I equal to 1 to 100. So when I total it, I get 3 times sigma I square minus 2 times sigma I. Then I divide by 100. Then the formula, sum of squares of natural numbers n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. Now you put n equal to 100, and if you do the calculation part, I don't think it's any difficult for you. You can do it. The next question, I hope that sum is clear. This is a very simple question. The number of common terms in the progression, it's given. Okay, there's a progression given. Now, for this progression, my first term is 4, and what is my common difference? Common difference is 5. So what is T25? T25 will be A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. So when I go up to 25 terms, it is 124. My 25th term is 124. Now you go for 3, 6, 9 up to 37th term. So what is this? T37 will be A plus 36 into 3. I think if you multiply that, I think you're getting 111. Okay, 111. Now, I also find the LCM of the common difference. The common difference is 5 and 3. The LCM is 15. So that must be the difference, right? So what is the first common term? 4, no. Definitely the first common term is 9, right? Plus 15. When you add plus 15, what do you get? If you add plus 15, it gets 24. Again add plus 15, you get 39. Again add plus 15, you get 54. Then it is 69. Again you add, you get 84. Again you add, it is 99. Again if you add, I think it will be 114. But your 37th term is only 111, so you can't go to that. So this is the end. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 common terms in both. Simple, isn't it? Very, very simple question. Something different, where I use the idea of LCM and do the problem. You understand that? Now let's go to the last problem for the day. If A1, A2, A3, AN are in GP, this similar question I have done in the previous video also, but nothing wrong in repeating same type of questions so that you get used to it, okay? A1, A2, A3, AN are increasing positive numbers. 6th and 8th term be 2, and the product of its 3rd and 5th term is 1 by 9. Find the value of this. Okay. Now he has given the sum of the 6th term and the 8th term is 2. What is the 6th term formula? A r power 5. And what is the 8th term? A r power 7 equal to 2. So let it be there. What else is given to you? He has given you the product. Product of what? The 3rd term and the 5th term is 1 by 9. What is the 3rd term? A r square. 5th term is A r power 4 equal to 1 by 9. This is A square r power 6 is equal to 1 by 9. Taking positive square root, you get A r cube equal to 1 by 3. I am taking positive square root because it is an increasing positive number. Correct? Now what do you do? From this you can find what A is. A equal to 1 by 3 r cube. Take that and substitute here. So what do you get? R power 5 by 3 r cube plus r 1 by 3 r cube into r power 7 equal to 2. Now if you cancel all this, you get r square plus r power 4 equal to 6. Correct? Now if you factorize this, I am getting r square equal to 2. You can factorize it. And r square equal to minus 3. Clearly r square cannot be minus 3. It's invalid. Square cannot be negative number. So r will be positive square root of 2. Negative square root is not allowed because it's a increasing positive number. I hope that is very clear to you. Now once you have got r equal to root 2, what is my a? You have a equal to 1 by 3 r cube. R cube is 2 root 2, which is 1 by 6 root 2. Okay. Now your job is to find 6 times a2 plus a4 into A4 plus A6. Not very big task. This is AR, this is AR cube, this is AR power 3 plus AR power 5. Correct? I think I'm right. I have not made mistake. A2, A4. Okay, that's done. Now this you substitute the values. 6 into what is AR? Just multiply A. This is A and this is AR. AR will be 1 by 6. What is AR cube? AR cube is 1 by 3. And again AR cube is 1 by 3. What is AR power 5? It is AR cube into R square. AR cube is 1 by 3. R square is 2. So it's 2 by 3. So it will be 6 and 2. The LCM is 6. So I get 1 plus 2. And this is 3 by 3. So it's 1. 6 gets cancelled. So the answer is 3. I hope this is very clear to you. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope it's useful to you. I will be posting 5 more questions very soon. From sequences in series, we'll try to cover a few questions so that you get variety of questions to attempt your JEE mains and you will be successful. Okay. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get notifications on video. I hope these videos are useful to you. Okay. Please work hard and I want you people to be successful in your JEE mains. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.